In this video, I'm going to be covering the basic parameters that you can use when compiling your initial list of keywords. So keep in mind that these are recommendations. These are guidelines. You don't necessarily have to follow them. We just recommend using these basic parameters when getting started because it'll give you a good idea of what you can easily go out there and rank for and what may be too competitive, especially when you're starting out with a brand new website. If you've never done SEO to your site before, or if you're not ranking for any terms already, then starting out with these basic parameters for your initial keywords is definitely a good idea. So we're only going to be using two basic parameters, both of which are given to us by Google. The first one is the number of natural results. For that specific keyword, we want to keep that less than 500K. And the second parameter is all in title. And I'll show you what that means in a second, but we want to keep that less than 5K. So natural results is pretty obvious. That's how many results come up when we search for that keyword, whatever the keyword may be. All in title is a little bit different on the other hand. So if we search, all in title for our keyword phrase, basically every word in that keyword phrase has to be in the title of that website. So in the title tags of a website, every single word that is in these quotes has to be in this title. Not in the same order necessarily, but each word is in the title. So we need that to be less than 5,000. We don't need it to be, but that's our basic parameter, right? That's what we are looking for in these initial keywords. So let's look at some examples here. I'll start out with a very broad keyword like how to get white teeth. And you can see that this delivers about 39 million natural results. So this is the number that we're looking at here for the first parameter. Now obviously this is higher than 500,000. So would we want to put this on our initial list of keywords? No. Probably not. That's going to be very, very competitive. So let's look at a local keyword, something like massage therapist in Tampa, Florida. So this has 736,000 results. Even this is a little bit higher than we'd like to look for. If I put massage therapy in Tampa, Florida, now we have 305,000 results. So that is less than our number. So this might work out for our initial keyword list. Now let's check the second parameter. So I'm going to delete any kind of small words like in or a or the, and I'm just going to keep the main words in here: massage therapy, Tampa, Florida. And I could even get rid of Florida, honestly. So now we're going to put all in title at the beginning, just one word, all in title, colon, and then it'll put massage therapy Tampa in quotes. And you can see that we get about 1,010 results back from that search, that all in title search. So that can give us a good idea, because it is less than our basic parameter here of less than 5,000, we know that this would be an okay keyword to put on our initial list. Let's look at another example here, something like clean your or white teeth with baking soda. So this just gets over 1 million results here. So it's higher than 500,000. We wouldn't necessarily want to use this, whereas something like white teeth with a banana peel is 119,000 results. So this would be a little bit better of a keyword to go after. It's going to be less competitive. There are only 119,000 websites that show up naturally for this search term. And if we look at all in title, it will most likely be less than 5,000. So we'll get rid of with and we'll search, and we get 193 results. So that's definitely less than 5,000. This keyword would be pretty easy to rank for just based off of those basic parameters. So that's all for this video. Just make sure to use these basic parameters as a guideline It's not set in stone. You don't have to follow these to the T, but they can help you find those initial keywords that you can go after, target, and rank for easily.